Good morning, student. Student exercise 2.3 is continue from R.D. Sharma and question number 10, second part. Yesterday I have discussed its first part. Now there is a relation S. It is A comma B such that B equal to mod A minus 1. A belongs to Z. Z means set of integers and mod A less than equal to 3. Determine the domain and range of the following function. So, first of all, we will frame the relation. Student, when mod A less than equal to 3, then A belongs to the set minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then S will be when A is minus 3, then B is 4. So minus 3 comma 4. When A is minus 2, then B is 3. When A is minus 1, then B is 2. When A is 0, B is 1. When A is 1, then B is 0. When A is 2, B is 1. When A is 3, B is 2. This is the relation. Now domain of S. It is domain equal to, it is the set of values of X. So it is 0, yes, 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and plus minus 3. Then range equal to, represented by RS. There are the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the domain and range. Student, next is question number 13. Let R be a relation from N to N. It is from natural to natural. And it is defined as R equal to ordered pair A comma B such that A and B are the natural number and A equal to B square. There are three parts. Question are the following statements true? Are the following statements true? First statement is A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to N. Second statement, A comma B, this belongs to R. You have to tell that B comma A belongs to R or not belongs to R. And in the third part, there is a ordered pair E comma B belongs to R and another ordered pair B comma C belongs to R. Now you will tell the ordered pair A comma C that will belongs to R or not belongs to R. Student, let's come all the part one by one. Here A is a natural number. If we take B equal to 1, or we can say, since A equal to B square, A and B are natural number, this implies that B equal to root A. Now, all the roots of natural number, they are not natural. Like root 2 not belongs to n. Root 3 not belongs to n. Similarly, root 4 belongs to n, but root 5 not belongs to n. To n. So we can say for all values of A, the result is not true. Right? A is not equal to B square. Right? Or, so we can say, if A and B belongs to n and the condition is A equal to B square, so A comma B not belongs to R. Since B equal to root A, and which is not the natural number for all natural values of n. So that is why condition is not true and the statement is false. Student, for the first part, if we talk about A equal to 1, if A equal to 1, then B A equal to B square and B equal to root A. Root of 1 is also, let me take 1, if n is, so the condition is valid for or 1. If A is not 1, A is equal to 2, then V equal to root 2, which is not equal to A. Therefore, we can say condition A comma A not belongs to R for every value of A belongs to n. This is the sign of every value of A. So, for every natural number, A comma A not belongs to R. So, student, A comma A not belongs to R when A is a natural number. This is valid only for 1 comma 1. Hence, A is not equal to 1 here. Student, for the second part, condition is if A comma B belongs to R and A and B are the natural number. So, student, let B equal to 2, then A equal to 4. It means 4 comma 2 belongs to R. Now, let us check 2 comma 4. If B equal to 4, then what is it? A equal to 4 square, which is 16, not equal to 2. Therefore, 2 comma 4 not belongs to R and statement is false. Is false. Okay. Now, student, is a third part. There are two ordered pair, A comma B and B comma C. They belongs to R. We have to check A comma C belongs to R or not. And here this B is common. So, students, let's take 4 comma, let B equal to 2. Then A equal to 4, means 4 comma 2. And when B is 2, then what about C? when C student, here two ordered pair A comma B and B comma C belongs to R. So we will see the condition. If A comma B belongs to R, this implies that A equal to B square. And if B comma C belongs to R, this implies that B equal to C square. Let it is equation 1, it is equation 2. Now putting the value of B from equation 2 to in equation 1, then we will get A equal to C square of square. This implies that A equal to C power 4. It is not equal to C square. This implies that when these two ordered pair belongs to R, then we will get the condition A comma C power 4. A comma C power 4, or we can say A equal to C square. A equal to C power 4. C power 4 comma C belongs to R, not C square comma C. Right? This is not belongs to R and this belongs to R. So the statement is false, and here A equal to C square, it is not C square. So the statement is false. Is false. Student, now let us see one more question. That is the example number 11 based on it. Here R, B are relation